So here's how to change profile picture on Monopoly Go. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Monopoly Go account. After logging into your Monopoly Go account, now here you have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now from here you have to click on the profile picture or your avatar. After that, here as you can see, it offers you various avatars to choose from. You can choose any avatar from here, or you can also change your profile picture by clicking on the Facebook icon at the top. Monopoly Go allows you to connect your account to your Facebook account. After linking your Facebook account to Monopoly Go account, now you will be able to view your profile picture of the Facebook as your profile picture of the Monopoly Go. This is the only way to change profile picture on Monopoly Go. After connecting your Facebook account, click on the save option and then you have to close the app. Now again open your app. Here as you can see, our profile picture has been changed. So that's how to change profile picture on Monopoly Go.